Imagine a parent bird feeding its chick bright red liquid. This isn't a scene from a horror movie, it's how flamingos care for their young. Flamingos produce a nutrient-rich milk in their digestive tracts, which contains a red pigment called canthaxanthin. Both male and female flamingos feed their chicks this blood-red milk by regurgitating it. This special diet is crucial for the chick's growth and development, packed with fats, proteins, and essential nutrients. Over time, as the chick matures, it transitions to a diet of algae and crustaceans. This unique feeding method is just one of the many fascinating aspects of flamingo parenting.